Hello, welcome to our Science Explore demo. This assignment was done by Sofia Flores, Eva Gonzalez, and Jody Orr. We are group 7. And we have a second grade standard. Our standard is environmental plant needs. And the standard states, plan and conduct an investigation to determine if plants need sunlight and water to grow. So prior to the explore portion, we will be activating student knowledge by presenting and showing them this YouTube video. So the video consists of examples of planting a plant indoors and outdoors, just like the picture shows, and the outcome of those examples. Then after that, we will introduce the students with a problem. Students will be introduced to the content to determine if plants need sunlight and water to grow.
Next, we will have a discussion with students where they share their thoughts on our driving question. The driving question is, what do plants need in order to grow? So this can actually be done as a whole group activity, or if you prefer, you could break it up into small groups. But in this case, we have it set up as a whole group activity where we would present a bubble map and students would share what they think plants will need in order to grow and fill those needs in on the bubble map. And at this point, we could also explain and ask that the students be able to determine what might happen if one of the items that they've included on their bubble map was removed in order to form their hypothesis.
Next, we are going to move on to the explore phase. And for this phase, we thought we would have students participate in activities such as planting their own seed in a cup or a baggie. We'll give them the option, and we'll probably split it up so it's half and half, so they can have variations to see what happens to their plant with sunlight, water, and then in no sunlight with minimal water. So students will formulate a hypothesis and record it in their journals that we will provide. They will then observe their plant daily to check in on its growth, and they're gonna kind of take notes on what they're noticing or not noticing is taking place with their seed. Is it growing with the ones in the sunlight and getting plenty of water versus the ones in the dark with no water, no sunlight? And then also the ones in the little Ziploc baggie, are those ones that are only getting the water that's already in there and not adding water? Is it growing or what's happening to it? So next, students are going to keep a journal of their plants over a 10-day span. And every day they're gonna just make observations of their seed. They're gonna draw pictures and they're going to document the stage their seed is in. Some of the materials they're going to need is a Ziploc bag, a lima bean or any kind of bean, clear cups, soil, a spray bottle, a box, construction paper, and paper towels. So right here, we included some resources if you guys want to look into it further. So this first one right here is going to actually show you guys the plant growth within 27 days. And this was a good one to show students because, like I said, we stop at 10 days. So if you want to continue it with your class, you can show them what it would look like at a full 27. These other 2 videos just kind of show the process of how to get the students started, and the students can watch it whole class or by themselves, and you can show them what they'll be doing and how they'll be planting their seeds. This concludes our presentation. We hope you guys enjoyed watching.